Hi guys, this is Mike. This is an unboxing. Just got this today. Alright, dig in, see what this is. Ooh, look at that. Okay, what is this? It says iPad dock. Example, made in China. Alright, let's open it up. Oops, let's look in the box. There's nothing in the box. Alright. Back. Side. This is a generic version. Let's do a mini review. Let's take this out. Real tired today, guys. So, let's see. This is what it's for. Let's do. Alright. So it's rubber here to protect it. And let's put it down. And that's it. That's it. iPod dock. Alright. So I hope you guys like this unboxing. And see, as always, rate, comment, subscribe for more live unboxings. Take care. Peace.